You want to go outside? Outside time? Hmm? My recipe today comes out of this book called The Real Bento. I actually cook the crispy curried chicken. It's a book that I use for a lot of my bento recipes, and it's laid out really well. It's got pictures and fairly easy to use. So just kind of wanted to share that. For today's bento, I made the crispy curry chicken along with brown rice with carrots, tomatoes for Mr. Business for the fruit, did grapes, oranges, and strawberries, a boiled egg with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of soy sauce. And then the broccoli today, I have like kind of like a faux General Tso's that I do. So it has like some spicy Korean red pepper. It also has some chili garlic sauce, well, sweet chili sauce, not garlic sauce. And it also has some soy sauce with it. So once it's all together, it kind of has a kind of a faux, kind of fake General Tso's taste to it. And something I threw together one day, it just tastes really good. So that is our bento for Tuesday.